Okay, this is your 48-hour forecast for southeastern PA, New Jersey, Delaware. That storm is going to stay to the south. I mean, the southern part of Delaware can get it. You can see it right. You can see just barely see it down there. I think it may come a little further north than it shows here, but then you can see it doesn't last very long. It pulls right off the coast, but there's an upper air low which everybody was hoping was going to connect with it, but it didn't, and it comes in a little bit later. It comes in tomorrow around noontime, and here it is out here in the western viewing area, out here in Maryland, heading up through central PA. Temperatures at this time, um, not bad for this time of year, but they're cold. This is your noontime temperatures tomorrow. Temperatures 20s all the way through the area. Maybe some teens still up in the Poconos. And then as we get through the afternoon hours, they don't really warm up very much. And this is around 8 o'clock at night. Temperatures again in the 20s. And then as we go overnight into Friday morning, this is around 7 a.m. You can see a lot of teens. And down by Philly, you're eking it out around 20 degrees. Same thing with South Jersey and Delaware. So pretty chilly Friday morning. And then as we get into the daytime temperatures on Friday, you can see they warm up. They get around freezing. Above freezing is South Jersey, Delaware, by Philly. Elsewhere, close to freezing, Reading and Allentown. Might even get above freezing there. And then as you go towards the nighttime hours, it does its thing. It cools off again. There's a 13 up here in the Poconos and some teens up in North Jersey. And this is only 2 o'clock in the morning. So it'll take you out till then. So let's look at this little bit of snow. Okay, so now this is around noon coming in, and it gets to Reading around 3 o'clock in the afternoon in Allentown. It breaks out towards Philly a little bit, and then it finally goes into New Jersey. This is around 5 o'clock. Here's 6 o'clock. Here's 7 o'clock, and you can see it actually makes it into New York City too. And then here's 8 o'clock at night, and it's starting to let up. I mean, this isn't a big storm. Um, it may not even be shovelable, but you can see here's your numbers. The darker colors may be close to an inch or so. The lighter color grays are less than an inch, and then these blues up here this is the southern Poconos. They get a couple inches of snow up there. Northern New Jersey ends up dusting to maybe an inch up there. Even New York City can get a light dusting, so it's not much at all. In Delaware you get nothing. You had the storm south, and then you had this one going north, and then same thing with Jersey, South Jersey. You had the big storm go south, and then you have this little bit going north. Okay, there is on the radar a storm that wouldn't affect much down here, but we got to watch it. I mean, so far this winter, the lows pressure systems in these storms have only connected with the warmer temperatures. They haven't connected with the cold. They just keep missing. Um, I got that from Joe Bastardi. He was talking about it, and he was right. But remember, back in October, I told you this was going to happen. I told you it was going to be a lot of ice and stuff like that with my winter forecast. And that's kind of what's happened. I didn't say it was going to be because the cold air didn't hook up with the storms. I just looked at my analogs, and it kind of looked like this was going to be a messy February. So we'll see what happens next. It's going to warm up a little next week. All right, everybody, take care.